As I could see, there are two different things from these events. And the two different things are Raj is doing all this made up thing, and how to test it up. If he won't do the police complaint, then it's a made up thing which he said. If he won't do the police complaint and he won't give details in court, then it's a made up thing. And if he does the police complaint and he gives a statement in court, then it proves to be the corrupt officer makes false report. My devices are hacked. And the one who did this also has his numbers. And the same person visits wine shop, and the same person defames me. So if it's a made up thing, Raj which told me if it's a made up thing, then he won't do the police complaint and he won't give a statement in the court. If it's a made up thing, then he won't give a statement and he won't file a police complaint. Because I have to take him to my family now, or I'll bring my family to give him the, what do you call it? My family should know now this event. They thought I'm making things up, right? Guard spoke. मैंने तो नहीं बोला गार्ड को मुझे ये बोलने के लिए. So shit is for real. So there will be police complaints now, and that complaints which will be used in court with his testimony. And if you won't give that, then it's a made up thing. It's a made up thing. And if he gives the testimony and he whatever happened it's for real, then the suspect visits wine shop, is in his contact list, and what? Defames me.